So the next step is to do the seams at the bottom and make sure that I do them first. And make sure that everything is aligned and straight. It's much easier doing the seams right at the beginning. After this we will do the pocket, but first we're going to sew these seams and make sure they are fine. I pin in this direction, then I can take out the pins quickly when I do the sewing. I normally don't like using pins, but you know, for these seams I just want to make sure that they're absolutely fine. So this is the two back panels. The front panels must fit exactly the same length there, and then this one as well, and make sure that when they connect, at least they connect correctly. So these ones are fine, the seams are fine. So we're going to do the sewing next for these the seams, and then next we're going to attach the pockets, and thereafter we're going to do the zip quickly.